If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel. Hello, Namaste. Many of us love Chinese food. And Chinese style soups are desired by almost everyone. So today I will show you how to make egg drop chicken soup. This gets ready in under 15 minutes and tastes exactly like restaurants. It's good for dieters, sick people, elderly, kids. In fact, everyone in the family will love to have this soup once you make. So without wasting any time, let's get to the making. Please note the ingredients needed to make egg drop chicken soup. List is also given in description below. First, take some oil or tel in a pan. When it's heated on medium heat, add in grated garlic or kaddukas kiya hua lasan and saute it for about 1 minute. Then add in finely chopped celery or bari kati hui celery. Also very small pieces of boneless chicken. Bari katre hue chicken ke tukde. Saute celery and chicken well for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Add in fresh ground black pepper or tazi kuti kali mirch. Fresh black pepper adds a great unique taste to this soup. And when chicken pieces look slightly cooked, add in the chicken broth. Also add in salt to your taste if the broth is without salt. Cover and let this broth come to a boil. Let's check after about 2-3 minutes. This is xanthan gum in 1 tablespoon of water or pani. Mix it well. When it dissolves well in water, take some broth and mix in xanthan gum and water solution. Now slowly add the solution in the boiling broth and continuously stir it for another half a minute. We do not want any lumps in the soup, but we want it to be a nice consistency one. Right now it is too thin and flowy, but increase the heat to medium high and let it come to a boil. Meanwhile it's boiling, we have eggs or ande in a bowl. Add in 1 tablespoon of water and whisk the eggs really well. We want them nice and fluffy. The eggs are whisked well and the soup is cooked too. Remove the soup from heat. So no heat after the soup is boiled. And now pouring of egg solution in the soup. And see, you have to do this very slowly and gently, making thin strands of egg in the soup in circular motion like this. Do not hurry here because we do not want lumps of egg. We want strands of egg like we get in restaurants. Now put the soup pan back on heat on medium and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. But do not let it boil. And the soup is ready. It has the restaurant-like consistency and taste. You may want to add soy sauce or hot sauce to suit your taste buds. And do not forget to garnish with finely chopped fresh spring onion before serving. So enjoy this any day, anytime with your family. Thanks for watching.